Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST regular cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite and it looks great. You do have the matching front on here in the grille. It looks really nice. It looks very sleek. It ties it all in very nicely. You do have halogen quad headlamps here as well, and they are very bright, and you do have your fog lights hanging out just down there as well. Now coming around the side here, we have 20-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them. They look great in the chrome. You got the 1500 logo right there, and you do have heated exterior mirrors over here as well. Now coming around the back, we do have a 6-foot box. You got the Ram logo and the 4x4 logo, and you do also have your backup camera right there. Now we can open this guy up. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it looks great. You'll be able to haul lots of stuff back here. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have our panic button there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, we do have a bit of chrome accenting. It looks very nice. You have the electric windows, mirrors, and locks all here. Handle here, some storage down here, and some more just on the end of the door here. You do have very comfortable seats. The cloth is very soft and nice to the touch. You do have the controls over your lights here, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all hanging out here. And if you push in, you do have your fog lights as well as your in-cabin light control here. Right over here, we do have our windshield wipers as well as our turning signals. Okay, in the vehicle now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. That little gauge there is just telling us that we have to fill up one of our tires. Now in the middle, we do have which way we're facing, our temperature, and how many kilometers. Only 610, that is nothing. As well, you can see how fast we're going, but you can change that to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You got your messages, your screen set up, and you can turn the menu off if it is distracting to you. That is all controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options just on the other side. And this guy is our gear shift just like that. And when you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera. It is on a 5-inch touchscreen display here. So you do have FM, AM, and Sirius XM. As well as you have your media tab if you have something hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, or through USB. You got your phone if you have one hooked up through here. You can access all that stuff. You got your compass, your settings, and your more for your temperature outside and your clock. And then we have our volume up and down, plus our mute, our screen off, our back button, and our browser here. And then right down here we have our climate control. So we have the power up and down, we have the circulation, we have the heat and the AC, as well as right over here where it's going to blow out of. Hazard lights just up here, traction control, tow and haul mode, and then you also have your controls over your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, your 2-wheel, and your neutral, all hanging out right there. As well, we do have some storage just down here, and we have a plug-in here and another one just over here. Now, in the center, we do have our armrest and 3 cup holders, as well as it doubles as a storage container. So you got 3 coin holders as well. You also have your USB plug-in and your aux cord and another 12-volt charger. You can close this guy. You do have another seat under here, right there, so you can seat 3 people all together. And right over here, we do also have a top glove box and a bottom one with our owner's manual inside of it. Up top, you do have some lights, and then you can also, I will show you this, pull this guy here and fold it down. And you can get into the back here, and there's a bit of storage back here. You can access this. There's some coat hangers or grocery bag hangers as well. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.